Today, we've got some exciting news for all the Google Pixel fans out there. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL has been making waves recently with a bunch of leaks, and today we're diving deep into everything we know so far. From the latest specs to some groundbreaking AI features, there's a lot to cover. So if you're thinking about upgrading or just curious about what Google has in store, stick around. Alright, let's kick things off with the specs. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL is turning out to be a powerhouse of a device. First up, the display. The XL in the name is well deserved because this phone will feature a massive 6.8-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1344 x 2992 pixels. That's not all. This display is expected to reach an impressive 3000 nits of brightness, making it one of the brightest screens out there. Some earlier leaks mentioned a slightly smaller 6.73-inch display with lower brightness, but it looks like Google is aiming for top-tier visual performance. Protecting this beautiful display is Gorilla Glass Victus 2, ensuring durability along with style. And for all the selfie lovers out there, the Pixel 9 Pro XL will sport a 42-megapixel front camera with an f/2.2 lens neatly integrated into a punch hole. Speaking of cameras, let's flip the phone around and check out the rear setup. Google is known for its camera quality, and the Pixel 9 Pro XL continues that legacy. The main camera is a 50-megapixel wide shooter with an f/1.68 lens. But that's just the beginning. You also get a 48-megapixel 5x periscope telephoto lens with f/2.8 aperture and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera with a 123 degrees field of view and /1.7 aperture. This setup is loaded with top-of-the-line sensors. The main camera uses a Samsung GNK One First 31 sensor with optical image stabilization (OIS), while the ultra-wide camera is powered by the Sony IMX585 sensor. What's unique to the Pro and Pro XL models is the inclusion of the telephoto module, which uses the IMX858 sensor along with OIS. This sensor is so versatile that Google is also using it for the selfie camera. Under the hood, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is powered by Google's latest Tensor G4 chipset. This is paired with the Titan M2 security chip, offering top-notch security and performance. As for memory and storage, you're looking at 16 gigabytes of RAM as the base, with storage options starting at 128 gigabytes and going all the way up to a hopping 1 TB. And here's the cool part. If you pre-order, you might just get a free upgrade, the 512 gigabyte storage where you go for the 256 gigabytes model. Pricing starts at $1,100 for the base model, while the 256 gigabytes variant will set you back $1,200. Now, one of the most interesting aspects of the Pixel 9 series is its software. Unlike previous Pixel launches, the Pixel 9 Pro XL will come with Android 14 right out of the box. This is a bit of a departure from the norm, where we'd expect a new version of Android to debut with the latest Pixel devices. This could be due to Google pulling the launch forward, especially since the Pixel 8 series was released in November last year. But don't worry about missing out on future updates. The Pixel 9 Pro XL will receive 7 years of feature drops, just like the Pixel 8 series. Moving on to battery life, while this particular leak didn't specify battery details, previous leaks have indicated a 5060 mAh battery capacity with 45-watt wired charging. As for wireless charging, the speed is still under wraps, but we'll likely get more details closer to the launch. Now let's talk about something really exciting: AI. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is set to feature some cutting-edge AI-powered functions thanks to Google's Gemini A. One of the standout features is the Pixel Studio, which uses AI to create stunning images. But that's not all. There's also a feature called Raymagine that can literally transform objects in your photos.